Softer brake, softer, softer, softer. At the end, no? Then softer brake. Oh? Everything is fine. Okay. And go. Go. Prepare this. Go, 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 please. Inside, outside, indicator, side look. Go, 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 no brake. And now switch to right. The sequence here to be perfect. No brake, no brake, no brake.
Okay.
For what? For what? For what?
Right?
It's not.
Okay. This
No, no,
way.
no, 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 no. Stop, please, stop, please, stop, please. I'll give you an explanation. Yeah? Okay. That's not going. Yeah? I said to you,
Yeah.
we are always drive on which side? On the left or on the right?
Right side.
Yeah. Right, I mean, we drive on the right side. If we want to turn, then I say to you, turn right. Okay?
Okay.
That's the biggest mistake you can make.
Understood.
Why you brake and you have nothing car in front of you?
No, no. Actually, I understood when you are
Yeah.
taking like
Here
to
we
turn
change,
this.
we
Yeah.
change
Change
fluently,
just the line. You want to drive the right.
and we have a blocked car in front of. Yeah, like the red car, for example. You have time enough and place enough, and you have to prepare for changing. You cannot make this one and this one. No, 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 no. You fail immediately then.
Okay.
Look in the mirror. The tram is coming, and you make this one. Only look. The sequence you have to be perfect. Start with the inside mirror.
Yeah.
Inside mirror, outside mirror, indicator, side look, and then change.
Okay.
Inside, and look in the direction where you want to go. It's not necessary to look right and you look left. You want to drive left and you look right. That's not.
No, I got
Logical.
confused like to right here, but I understood.
Inside,
Yeah.
if you change,
Yeah.
if you have to change, look inside, outside, indicator, side look, and then change. Yeah.
Okay.
You